In this video, I will show you how to use a microscope. First, be sure to hold the microscope by the arm and the base whenever handling a microscope. Plug in your power supply. Turn on. Choose a slide. Place it on the stage. Open the stage clips, slide it in, and let it go. Using the stage adjustment knobs, center the slide. Now that the slide has been centered, begin with the lowest magnification objective lens. Using the coarse adjustment knob, begin to focus the slide. Now that the slide has been focused, you may move on to the next objective. At this point, use only the fine focus adjustment knob to make any other focusing adjustments. It is very important to not use the coarse adjustment knob with any of the other objectives. When using a microscope, you may also increase the lighting or decrease the lighting. If you are viewing a microscope slide with the high power objective, which in this case would be the 40x, and need to view it under the oil objective, which is 100x, then you would need to rotate the nose piece so that it's in between, add a drop of the immersion oil, and gently move the oil objective lens into place. Once you are done viewing the microscope slide under the oil immersion lens, you may rotate the nose piece. Use a piece of the optical lens wipe and a small amount of ethanol to then gently wipe the oil on the objective lens. When done viewing a slide, return to the lowest objective, open the stage clip, slide out the slide, and you may turn off the power. At this point, you can also disconnect the power supply and return to its appropriate location.